Back again today, got a F650. The wonderful VT365. Put an oil cooler on it. All little gaskets, whatnots. Old oil cooler. Another one from another job. New gaskets, everything. These things are terrible about stopping up down them little holes. Nothing but carbon built up inside that, all over the EGR valve. This one come in, no start, no high pressure oil building. Got a little STC block off tool there, make sure the branch tube's not busted. This particular one didn't break it. The high pressure oil screen, it always tears through, lets trash get to the high pressure oil pump. Usually see that on all of them if they've never been updated and changed. But this one blew the fitting apart. Bent the branch tube, but didn't break it. I've already air pressure tested it. Put this back together. Put the update fitting kit on it. Should take care of this while we're in it. Go ahead and put a EGR cooler on it and oil cooler on it. Should take care of this one. And this is the update on that fitting here. I'll show you the pump where it blew apart. Can't quite see it, but that ring's hanging out of that hole there. That blew this apart, which bent that branch tube, but pump seems to be alright. Won't no metal on the IPR screen. And then this is the update they got for it. Screw this into the pump and then it really don't have no chance of blowing apart. That's the Ford. It's got the international style engine in it, VT365. That's all she wrote.